Is your Hisense Xumo TV remote not working? The most common issue is the batteries. Let's start with battery troubleshooting. First, ensure you're using fresh AAA or AA batteries and that they are correctly installed, paying attention to the plus and minus polarity. Here's what a typical Hisense Xumo remote looks like. Clean the battery contacts inside the remote with a dry cloth to remove any corrosion. Use a cotton swab or dry cloth to clean corroded battery contacts like shown here. This simple step often fixes remote issues. If new batteries don't solve the problem, the remote might need to be repaired with the TV. During initial TV setup, the remote should automatically pair if batteries are inserted within 15 minutes of plugging in the TV. To repair manually, try pressing the voice control button and waiting 10 seconds. Alternatively, navigate to Settings, then Remote, and select Pair your remote to your TV and follow the on-screen instructions. Some remotes pair by holding specific button combinations, like the 1 and 3 buttons or the add and back buttons for a few seconds. If repairing doesn't work, try resetting the remote completely. To reset the remote, hold the settings and back buttons until the LED turns green, then press 9, 8, and 1. If your remote doesn't have a settings button, press and hold the 3 dots and back buttons for 5 seconds. Try these troubleshooting steps in order. Check batteries first, then try repairing, and finally reset the remote if needed. If your remote is still not working, the next step is to check the infrared line of sight. The remote communicates with your TV using invisible infrared light signals. Make sure nothing is blocking the path between your remote and the TV's infrared sensor. Objects like books, decorations, or even your hand can interfere with the signal. You can test if your remote is sending an infrared signal using your smartphone camera. Point the remote at your phone's camera and press any button. If the remote is working, you'll see a light appear on your camera screen. If the infrared signal test shows your remote is working, but the TV still doesn't respond, try resetting your Hisense Xumo TV. This can resolve software glitches that may be preventing proper communication. Unplug your TV from the power outlet and wait exactly 60 seconds. This allows all internal components to fully discharge and reset. After 60 seconds, plug the TV back in. This completes the hard reset and should restore normal remote functionality. As a temporary solution, you can use the Hisense Remote Now app on your smartphone. This app turns your phone into a fully functional remote control for your Hisense Xumo TV. Some users have found success using an Amazon Fire Stick to control their TV when the original remote fails. The Fire Stick remote can often control basic TV functions like power and volume. If none of these troubleshooting steps resolve the issue, it's time to contact Hisense support or consider purchasing a replacement remote. Universal remotes compatible with Xumo TVs are also available as alternatives.